In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not clearing history. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. You can do this by locating the Edge icon on your desktop or taskbar and double-clicking it. Once the browser opens, you will see a clean and familiar interface ready for your navigation. It is important to ensure you are on the latest version of Edge for optimal performance. Keeping your browser updated not only enhances your experience but also improves security. Once you've confirmed that Edge is open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Now let's clear the browsing data manually. To do this, press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and Delete simultaneously. This key combination opens the Clear Browsing Data menu where you will have various options to choose from. Here you will find a drop-down menu labeled Time Range. Click on it and select All Time. This choice ensures that you are removing all the history, not just a portion of it. It's crucial to select this option to guarantee a clean slate. After setting the time range, make sure to check the box next to Browsing History along with any other data you want to remove, such as cached images or cookies. This is important because it keeps your browsing experience smooth and uncluttered. Once everything is selected, click on the Clear Now button. You should see a brief confirmation that your data is being cleared. Next up, we need to ensure that all Edge windows are closed. This is a necessary step because history may not clear properly if another Edge window is still open. So take a moment to close every Edge window that you might have open. This ensures that you are not running into any conflicts that could prevent the history from clearing. After closing the windows, we will move on to the next step. Now, let's open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC. Task Manager provides you with a detailed view of all the applications currently running on your computer. Look for Microsoft Edge in the list. If you see it, select it and then click on End Task. This forcefully closes any lingering instances of Edge that might interfere with clearing your history. It's essential to do this to ensure a complete reset. After you have ended the task, you will see that all Edge processes have been terminated. With that done, it's time to reopen Edge. Click on the Edge icon again to launch it fresh. Once the browser is open, you will have a clean slate to work with. Now, let's try clearing the history once more. Go back to the settings for clearing browsing data by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete again. Remember to select All Time from the drop-down, check Browsing History, and any other data you wish to remove. Then click on Clear Now. This time you should successfully clear all your history without any issues. If you follow these steps, you will have effectively cleared your browsing history in Microsoft Edge. It's important to perform this maintenance regularly to keep your browser running efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your browsing data more effectively.